Welcome to 99 Reviews with another interesting video with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 now official. We can turn our attention to the next set of Galaxy flagship phones, and it seems the most expensive Samsung Galaxy S25 model might come with a change in shape. Well-known tipster Universe Ice, via Android Authority, says that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is going to have an asymmetrical frame design, which is more rounded towards the back and straighter towards the front where the screen is. This slight tapering is apparently intended to make the phone more comfortable to hold. The source adds that the middle frame and the bezels have been narrowed, making the handset roughly the same width as the Samsung Galaxy S24. With the Galaxy S25 series expected to show up in January 2025, so about 6 months from now, the word is that the design is now finished for the standard model, the Plus model, and the Ultra model. The middle frame of Galaxy S25 Ultra is designed asymmetrically in front and back. The middle frame near the back cover is more rounded, while the part near the screen is straighter. I believe this is Samsung's design considering the feeling of holding. Up to this point, we haven't heard too much about the Galaxy S25 phones, but that's likely to change in the months ahead. There has already been talk that some of the 4 rear cameras on the back of the Ultra model are in line for an upgrade. We've also seen some unofficial renders of the front of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, although they don't tell us too much about what's coming. From the front at least, the phone is going to look pretty similar to this year's model. No doubt Samsung will find a few areas for improvement though, including in the processor department. The as-yet unannounced Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is likely to be running the show. Before all of that, we're going to get to see what Google's been working on for its own 2024 flagship Android phones. A launch event is scheduled for Tuesday, August 13th, when the Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro, and maybe more handsets, will show up. That's it for the video so far. Do subscribe for more videos.